What's up, y'all? So as I promised, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make Jamaican rice and peas, which is pretty much rice and beans, kidney beans. They call it rice and peas. You can use a can, like out of the can. I like to use the dry ones. I'll soak them overnight, cook them, and they're nice and tender. A cup of basmati rice, white rice, jasmine rice, because it just tastes better. You use any kind of white rice. I got some chopped scallions here, but one of the most important ingredients is coconut milk. I use the Grace Caribbean coconut milk, and what you want to do is let it boil. You want to let it boil so it doesn't give you a runny stomach, what they call diarrhea. Well, if you don't boil it properly, it'll do that. And then, I add a cup of water with my rice. Before I do that, like I said, I like to boil the coconut water. You're going to need a little bit of rosemary. Add maybe about 1-2 tablespoons. About 1-2 tablespoons of thyme. And some ground ginger. The fresh ginger is better if you get it mashed up. I like the Grace Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I pretty much put it in everything. And anyhow, I'm going to add all these ingredients into it after I boil this coconut water for a good bit. Not coconut water, I'm wrong. Coconut milk. Anyhow, stay tuned, y'all. This is going to be really good.